Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to log in into your Who dating app account. The process is really easy. Stay with me, let's get started. First of all, be sure you've installed the app on your device. Now open it on your phone. Wait for it to load for a few seconds. Now in this page, you will have to insert your name, the name that you used to create your account. So I'll just write Sarah Joe and then press continue. Again, let's wait for it to load. It may take few seconds. As this is a dating app, you have to confirm you're over 18 years. So tap on I am 18 or older. Go through these rules that you'll have to follow while using the app and then press I understand. You have successfully logged into your account. Now you'll have to allow access to microphone and camera. So simply tap on the tick option right besides camera. Press on while using the app and repeat the same process for microphone as well. Now you're all set, you have logged into your account. Now you can press on the call option and start video chats with random people. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.